Welcome to TotalAV Security Suite. If you're fed up with the slow, underperforming, vulnerable PC, but want to avoid splashing out hundreds of dollars on a new machine, we can help. Our initial smart scan will review your entire computer, allowing you to easily remove harmful threats and instantly enhance the performance of your device. Let's get started with the Antivirus section. This will alert you to any harmful or malicious files on your computer. Resolve any issues here to prevent damage and personal data theft, then quarantine them to permanently remove the threats from your device. Activate real-time protection to actively monitor your computer for unwanted activity. Unleash your device's full potential with System Boost. This part of the application is focused on speed and efficiency. Clear redundant browser data, uninstall non-essential applications, and manage the programs slowing down your startup. With just a few clicks, you can restore space and have your system running as good as new. The Disk Cleaner tools will hunt through your device, finding duplicate documents and shredding redundant files. Put your hard drive to better use and reclaim valuable memory. Web Security will check for any harmful network connections, keeping your data secure when online. Ensuring the firewall is enabled will keep you protected from backdoor hacking applications. If you are using a public hotspot or open Wi-Fi network, snoopers and hackers can easily access your browsing activity, potentially gathering sensitive data from you. Use our safe browsing feature to lock down your internet connection. If you are worried about ads spoiling your browsing experience, use our very own ad blocker, AdBlock Pro. Once set up, AdBlock Pro's advanced security extension allows you to remove annoying and intrusive ads. With Password Vault, you will never lose a password again. It's simple and easy to use. It only takes a few minutes to set up, and you'll never need to worry about losing another password again. TotalAV Security Suite. Your protection is our priority.